Guys, it's Ryan from Hills. I'm on Cotswold Drive in Salford M6, just off Langworthy Road, to show you this lovely 3-bedroom semi-detached family home occupying a generous corner plot. You'll love the garden as you see towards the rear. So head inside, head into a welcoming entrance hallway. Also provides access to what is currently in use as a beauty room, but was previously a downstairs bathroom and has the potential to be converted back into one. Also access from the hall is the lounge diner, which is a light-filled space, as you can see, with windows to the front and the rear. And then towards the rear of the property, we've got the fitted kitchen that leads on out into that huge garden. Really must be seen in person to be appreciated. As you can see, it benefits from laid lawn grass, mature plants and decking. And it's a really great social space. Properties in this location are often popular due to the close vicinity to transport links through to Salford Quays, Media City and Manchester City Centre as well. Local schooling is also found nearby, along with several well-kept parks, with Buell Hill Park within walking distance as well. As we head upstairs, from the landing you'll find 3 well-proportioned bedrooms. This is the second just through here, which benefits from those views of the garden at the back. For the 3rd bedroom just through here, which is a decent size, it's currently in use for storage. The main bedroom just through here, which is a good sized double. And then finally we have this contemporary 3-piece family bathroom. Get in touch to secure your viewing today.